Hi guys, welcome to another video from DIY Daily. We've got 2016 Transit in today that's not revving above 2200 revs, and the guy's struggling to get over 30-40 mile an hour with it. Just before we get into the video, if you wouldn't mind clicking the subscribe button below to make sure you don't miss out on any future content. Right, let's get to the point then. So we've got 2016 Transit in today. It's not revving over 2200 revs. There's no fault messages, no fault lights on the dash. We've checked it with a diagnostic scanner. There's no fault codes logged either. So to start with, we're going a bit deeper. We're back onto the diagnostic machine and we're going to read through the actual data. Looking down through the listings, we've gone to the fuel temperature, and the fuel temperature reading is reading at 98, fluctuating between 98 and 99 degrees, so it's miles too high. Now the first step to prove the temperature sensor at fault is to locate the temperature sensor, which is just on the side of the fuel pump, and if you disconnect the 2-pin plug, the temperature reading will now default to 40 degrees. This will allow you to rev over 2000 revs, but it will actually put the engine light on and log a fault code in the history. Now that you've proved the temperature sensor at fault, next step's to replace it. It's held in by a Torx 30 screw, and if you check out my description, I've put the OE Ford part number. It's only available from Ford at the minute, but if you check that, they're roughly around £40 to order one off Ford. Once we've fitted the new temperature sensor, you'll notice the temperature reading's a lot lower now, roughly between 15 and 40 degrees. Now that the new one's fitted, your engine will rev cleanly and no fault codes recorded. Thanks for watching guys, and hope the video helped. Don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks.